what a way to start today. For them that love him, eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. It has never entered the heart of man what God has in store for those that love him. John chapter 14 verse 15, Jesus Christ speaking, if you love me, you will keep my commandments. Today we want to talk about the need to love Christ, the need to love God. The question is this: do you love God? Do you love Christ? I'll tell you something, the lover of God, you will do all things that pleases him. You will do all things that brings him joy. For example, like evangelizing and bringing men back to him. And also for touching lives of those that are already going down. Helping them to realize that there is a life in Christ. Those are the things we do as a lover of Christ. Are you a lover of Christ? Christ wants you to love him so that you can benefit this. Now, the thing is this: what do I stand to benefit as a lover of Christ? You benefit, you enjoy his protection, you enjoy his supplies, his blessings, you enjoy his attentions. I'll show you a lover of God in the Bible. Abraham. He was called at the age of 75. He left his family. He followed God. God demanded from him a lot of things in the course of journey with him. And he was willing to let go. He was willing to do all. Let's look at when God wanted to destroy Gomorrah, he pleaded on behalf of them. And you know what happened? In the book of Genesis chapter 24, the Bible says when Abraham was old, God has blessed him in all things. Be a lover of Christ today, and you enjoy longevity and blessing around. God bless you.